Yesterday, this 3D printed pen had two problems. The nozzle was loose and the ink tip sat way too far back. Tonight, I'm fixing both and trying to make the first working Brenton Force pen. I started in SolidWorks by adjusting the nozzle-to-body fit. Version 2 uses a 5/1000th diametric interference fit and a slightly taper change, so the parts press together cleaner. Then I made a rough ink cartridge model and added it to the assembly. It doesn't need to be perfect yet, I just need a reference to design around the refill. I was considering a push-style mechanism, but I'm moving toward an MVP first. MVP means minimum viable product, the simplest version that proves the core idea works. For this pen, that means no mechanism yet, just a body, nozzle, retained cartridge, and eventually a cap to protect the tip. Then I added a rear plug to retain the cartridge and checked the cross-section before printing. You know the drill. Export STLs, slice the parts, and send it to the printer. This should be a 13-minute print. I had to refeed the filament after it snapped last time, so hopefully it behaves. First layer looks good, so we let it run. And there it is, nozzle version 2. Now let's see if the changes worked. Version 1, way too loose. Version 2, that is a much cleaner press fit. This thing is not coming loose without serious force. So, goodbye nozzle 1. Now for the cartridge test. The fit feels good, but I had to cut the refill shorter for this MVP test. That was a mistake. Ink got everywhere. But there it is, the first 3D printed Brenton Force pen prototype writing. Now, let's see if it writes. If you made it to the end, comment pen if you want one of the first prototype pens, and subscribe to follow the build.